Hello people, you're watching MindHacker, your daily guides to mental well-being and social mastery. If you want to become the best version of yourself, you're in the right place. Have you ever felt judged in a room full of people? I'm going to show you 5 tricks to hack your confidence. Number 1. The triangle rule. Draw an imaginary triangle on the person's face. Look at the left eye, then the right eye, then the mouth. This shows you are deeply engaged in the conversation without making it awkward. Number 2. The power of the pause. When someone asks you a question, wait for 2 seconds before you speak. This small pause signals high status and confidence. It shows that you are in control of your thoughts, not rushing to please others. 3. The echo technique. The echo technique is simple. Repeat the last few words someone said back to them as a question. It encourages them to elaborate and makes you look like a brilliant conversationalist with zero efforts. 4. Open body language. Keep your hands visible and avoid crossing your arms. In psychology, hiding hands are linked to anxiety and distrust. Using open hands gestures make people feel safe and naturally attract to your personality. And we have 5, the last one, the spotlight effect. The spotlight effect is the belief that everyone is watching your every move. The truth, most people are too busy thinking about their own flaws to notice yours. Once you realize this, social pressure disappears. Thanks for watching. Remember, your mind is your greatest tool. Start hacking today. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Hey there, folks! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe!